First two was a policy and a legal framework for motorcycles and vehicles to be rented out to tourists and to people. As you're aware that many tourists come to our state and they rent vehicles from the private individuals. And till date, there has not been a mechanism to actually regulate for the overall, uh, you know, regulation of the sector as well as overall safety of the tourist. So we have come out with a policy on this matter, and we are now going to regulate it. And people who are interested in renting out the bikes and vehicles to the tourist will have to now register with the transport department to be able to rent their vehicles to tourists in the future. So those were the first two. One was for vehicles and one was for motorcycles.